Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we're gonna play some Stickman Fight. Yeah, it's gonna be a Stickman Fight game. So, let's get into it. You have to press play right here. So, yeah, you're like a... Wait. So, I'm the yellow one right here. I'm the yellow one that's jumping. So, yeah, you basically have to, like, fight. Like, see, I grabbed this gun and now I'm gonna shoot them. I think I just died. This is how you move right here, and this is how you jump. And someone just won. Wow, okay. Right, Right. Nope, die. 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 Yay. Wait, I died.
Can't go home and thank your mom without the money for that ambulance.
This is what I like to do when you're dead.
You have your lucky red nugget.
Always. A Netflix a day keeps the doctor
Bye
up.
bye. Yay, I level up in level 9. Level 10? What the heck? I'm leveling up. 11? What? I'm at level 12 now. Okay. No! They get away from me. Die. I have this laser thingy. Ah! He almost killed me. No. That was a draw. That had to be a draw. That's a draw. That was a draw. That was such a draw. Waiting players. We're waiting for the red one, aren't we? Where's the red one? I don't see the red one. Someone's winning. No! What? Wait. Did I win?
Let's go. You guys ready?
Where's the box? I know where it is. Follow me.
Battle stations, everyone.
I don't want. I don't know how this happened. But there's this like thing that you do when you go to the main menu. Do you see how there's like ads in the bottom? See, look, I just removed it. There's no ads anymore. So this is how I'm gonna play then, I guess. Again, I'm the yellow one, same thing. With an orange guy, a blue guy, and a green guy. And a yellow guy, which is me, and Crash just won. No, the ad's still here. Crap. I'll try this again. No! Damn it! No! I fell in the steep hole. You see right in the bottom. Alright, I was talking about not these kind of ads, like the ads in the bottom. See, I don't even see them anymore. I don't even see them. What? I just said I didn't even see them, and now they're right there. Oh, really? Nope. Get away. Crap, what? No! Look at me. I'm legit right there. No, my head got stuck. Whatever, I won, finally. Yeah, man. I won. Oh, where am I? No, I'm gonna die. Almost gonna die. Give me that gun! Boom, got it. It's like a laser cannon or something. Crap, no. No, I'm done. No, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me, and I'm dead. Great. Oh no, 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 no! No! Shooter? Did he even have a gun? Alright, let's go. But Dad! No! I died.
We're down here? Yeah, let's go. You guys ready? Where's the box? I know where it is. Follow me. Now go over the bridge. Battle stations, everyone. Oh, no!
This is really annoying. Yeah. No, no. No, god damn it. No, wait, what? No. Wait, my control stick is stuck. Control stick. I can't even move it. I couldn't move my freaking control stick. That wasn't even fair. See, I'm not even doing anything. How am I still alive? All I'm gonna do is just jump. Okay, nice, I guess. Glitch, 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 glitch. I'm doing the same thing, really? What? I don't know what's happening with my see? I let you walk all the way over there because of my control stick. I'm gonna have to do this again. Because I can't even walk anywhere. So like no thing to control it. Did I finally I don't like grabbing that. It finally worked now. Finally. Yeah. Okay. And I finally died. Draw. Okay, you called that. Why not? Alright guys, well that's gonna be the end of Stickman Fight. So, see ya guys.